Bad dream.
You the craze? You should be bad dream. Since I don't see you. Yesterday, the bad dream, bad dream, bad dream. I see you. I catch you today. I see you. When I say you there for love or suspicion. I see you are under suspect. I see you.
Yeah, I'll go confess.
You want to confess?
Come.
Oh, yeah?
Come sit down, I'll go.
You want to tell me? Oh, yeah.
Hey, see, Calaboki, your attention is never auntie.
What in the talk? Wait. Break and down. Which one the attention is? What the talk?
Auntie is calling you.
Now you are talking. Go and tell auntie say we are coming. They go.
Okay.
We are coming. Go. I dey hear you, Joe.
So, I said there's stop. You know the person.
And then maybe that.
Seniors. No, you say they call nonsense.
Go and tell auntie that we are coming.
She don't go speed for flush. See, before that speed, dry moon and reach you.
I said with the come
Come out from that place.
I don't want.
Who you see?
No, a teacher. She called to kiss me.
Fight!
I won't tell her, say, I got repeat on for JSS 250 times.
No business.
Wait. Now, because of the love, and the one who I can't even come voice in my head now, I tell her, say, we go there together. Under the same weather. Whatever.
You don't go kill person.
No. I just know that. Oma leave me. What will be this?
You don't know.
It's not the court time for me. It's not the court time for me. Cover my nyash with your blood.
You are a mumu man.
So the
You are dead.
end of go.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.